Hello friends, good morning. This is Jignesh and welcome to your channel LS Lighting. So in this video I will show you wireless remote control. This remote control range is around 2 kilometers and you can operate it from 2 kilometers far distance. So how does it look like that? And this remote control has a 21 channel, you can see here. You can operate 21 device by remotely from the 2 kilometer distance and you can use according to your requirement. There are total 8 modes in this system, so you can use according to your requirement. Some mode has a latching mode and some mode has a holding mode, and in some case there are some channels are in latching and some channels are in holding mode. So if you want to know more information about this device, you can leave a message. I will be try my best to make a new video in the detail how modes will be work. There are total 8 mode in this device. So I hope you like my video. Thank you and have a nice day. I show you by operating 21 channel. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 and 21. So I set this remote control in holding mode. If there are also latching mode in this remote control and some mix of the holding and latching mode also there, I will explain in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.